Hyundai has finally launched the Ioniq 5 in the country and prices begin at 44,95,000 rupees. Yes, it's a shocker for the Auto Expo, but this price is introductory and available only for the first 500 customers that the company gets. Now, the Ioniq 5 is not the first time you're seeing it on Car and Bike, because we did an exclusive review of it. You remember that. This is the same car that is now coming to India. Now, it will be assembled at the Chennai factory. We have confirmation of that, and that's one reason why the prices are that low. But just to summarize what this car is, it brings in a lot more features, 60 plus new link features on offer. It's got V2L technology and a lot more. 631 kilometers on a single charge. That's what the Ioniq 5 does. And it has a ground clearance of 163 millimeters, the highest of any Hyundai car in the country currently. So a lot on offer, and even if you check the interiors of the car, it is made to perfection, because it is about accommodating the normal people going about their normal lives, and it's about trying to understand what sustainability is about. That's why the interiors also have been made through sustainable material, right from the PET bottle, your PET plastic bottles, to maybe using ink that is sustainable. A lot of thought has gone into all of this, and that's why the Ioniq 5, the launch in India, becomes very significant. Of course, more electric cars are coming to the country, and this one though will definitely stand out.